Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to talk about how to find underwater city in Blox Fruits, the location. So for that you need to know that the underwater city's entrance is located between the frozen village and the prison. To access it, the player has to enter the whirlpool surrounded by three large rocks. Since it is a relatively small area, it may be difficult to find. The underwater city can be found by traveling from Fountain City, but it is blocked by an invisible wall. So the underwater city is covered in a dome atmosphere, preventing water from flooding. In the center of the island is a large castle, which is where the Fishman Lord can be found. The outer edge of the island is lined with tall rocks, and the ground is covered in sand and is dotted with large mushrooms like trees. So you can use this image for underwater city map, and the fog is bugged for the author. That's why he can take a picture of it clearly. So that's it for today's video. See you on the next one.